So I just quickly wanted to showcase you this website, this beautifully looking website for a hotel, which I just wanted to showcase you, which I just quickly just created using AI, and how you can actually create this kind of website completely using AI. What is going to be the process? I am going to basically showcase you that. First of all, let's see that what is the view overall, the complete website and all. You can see it. It is very much amazingly like designed and all. And this is very simplistic website. I have kept it in such a way to like keep it in mind, like that the businesses can consider it. Okay, otherwise a lot of many AI websites, a lot of many motion graphic websites are out there, which by the way I am going to create that as well. I am actually starting this as a series, and maybe in between I am going to create some of the I mean many different type of websites which can be possible right now using AI. I have been recently quite doing these kind of research and these kind of something tweaks, and checking like yeah, what are the different possibilities with latest AI tools. And that's what I'm going to showcase, because I am literally amazed about the type of possibilities which are being right now getting open just because of AI is getting better and better. So now what you can do is you can just span multiple sub agents, and you can just go, I mean, put it into work into getting multiple different designs. So that is going to help you to get an output, an amazing design very much fastly. Why? Because in a parallel way you are actually testing multiple different designs which previously was not possible, and now you can choose according to your judgment that yeah, which one you actually wanted to go. So for this one specifically, what I used is that first of all, I actually picked up that which specific type of, I mean, property I actually wanted to work with. Okay, so then for that, Pinterest is one of the great way. Okay, you can go to Pinterest and you can see this is the property which I actually picked. So I here searched about the modern mansions, or you can say luxury house mansions. Okay, and then from those I actually picked one of the image. I think this one, no, I again have to pick. So I picked that image from here, and then I went to ChatGPT. Okay, you can see here. So I went here and I have just given it a very simplistic, I mean, I would say this prompt. Okay, this is not very complex and all, but although what you can do is you can give it JSON prompts as well. And why I'm showcasing you with this very simple process, because this is a very simple process to actually create these kind of websites in one go or whatever. But you have to, I mean, you utilize it in a process. It's not going to get you output like if you are going to give every single image of your property and you are not going to work upon those images and just put it into AI to like give you a website. It is not going to work like that. You have to work with the images to make it refine. So that's what I was trying to do. So it actually given me multiple different images of different areas. Okay, in different angles, okay, camera angles and all. So if I would have not like convinced with with the images and all, I would have given it a different prompt, and accordingly I would have like tested it till the time I was not convinced or not. Okay, I am not convinced or not. So then I afterwards I wanted to create a mockup. Then I asked it to create a mockup, but it actually built me this kind of mockup. But I didn't wanted that. I wanted a complete kind of visibility. Then I asked it, and it actually given me this, but this was not complete. And one thing which is so much important right now, which you need to keep in mind, not right now but in general, on in websites, what you do is that you need to take care of this thing, like to create a high converting website. To create a high converting website, you need to add some kind of numbers, some kind of testimonial sections, some kind of copies in such a way which is actually converting. And they are actually, all these sections become so much important. There is this testimonial section as well. This becomes so much important, and here we are not putting so much testimonials here, but on the other side we are just showcasing the views and all. But we can put testimonials in, in sites where there is a physical product or something like that. Okay, I'm going to create videos on that as well. Okay, so there it becomes so much important. And what I did is I actually feeded it with different type of high converting website. You can see these are all high converting websites. So I have done all these research first. These are some of the companies, and from there I actually went and went to their websites. And like if I have to pick one, so you can see these are the websites which are actually high converting. Okay, and here a lot of the sections you can see and validate, yeah, yeah, what is actually creating it a high converting website. Accordingly, the data is so much important to AI to create results. So accordingly, it actually given me these kind of websites with sections and all. I have seen these, and then when I am convinced, then I stopped and I picked this, and then I like created all the different images for the supporting images for the AI. And then I used my Claude Code, and actually I have given it this all these images, feeded it, and like said it to create an exact website out of it. And now this harness can automatically work till the time it is actually not giving us an output which is exactly close to what I want. And then it actually came up with this output, and this is what I am convinced with. What I can do as an upgrade is I can create a video using generative platforms, and accordingly we can just put those videos here in the background. Okay, likewise in here we can utilize some parallax effect as well, because whenever we are like scrolling, it will automatically do, I mean see, showcase that. And on the other side we can also add some other I mean features as well in here, like functionalities I would say. Okay, some motion graphic functionalities and all accordingly, so it is going to just be more interactive. But on the other side, from a business perspective, I think it's a one of the good website. It's not very much AI looking website as well, so it's a kind of decent website accordingly. And we there can be different type of, I mean, improvements we can definitely do. But yeah, this is what I would give you a rough idea that yeah, this is how you can actually get an output, something like that. So yeah, let me know. I don't want to like expand this video so much. Let me know what else you would like to know, and I am creating these kind of AI using for real use cases videos for you on this channel. So yeah, make sure to subscribe this, and let's meet in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.